Hey y'all, I am finally back with another fun-sized DIY project. On this video, we are transforming my childhood trauma bedroom into an adult, somewhat mentally stable bedroom fit for a queen who is living with her parents. Let's take a look at my childhood bedroom, what it looked like before, because clearly it looks like a room from the 2000s eras, which I am so proud to have lived in because I was a total weeb. Was super into manga, anime, K-pop, RPG games like Final Fantasy, and I love the color purple, but ew, this paint color gotta go. Okay, since my room is a hot mess, first thing we gotta do is clean, organize, get this room ready, blow it up, so let's do it. I have my handy dandy dad who will be helping me transform this room. He's been really awesome in this process. I felt like I learned a lot from my dad, and I can see where I get my handiness from because my dad is so particular about the way he does things. So this makes me really happy to do some father-daughter bonding. Now we're going to clean out the closet. We're gonna Marie Kondo this. If you don't know what the Marie Kondo method is, please check out my other YouTube video. Basically, we are organizing, cleaning, and throwing out anything that I don't need anymore. I do like my CD, so I like to keep certain things for memories, but if I don't need it, bye. Next, we're going to fix and prep our walls for painting. Right now, my dad is fixing the baseboards of the floor of my walls, and he's going to be doing it by filling it in with some aluminum plates. And then I am going to help him prep the walls by pretty much sanding down any bits, filling in the holes with either joint compound or some fill in the hole in the wall pudding. So I'll link the products below. Then we are heading to Lowe's. My dad is checking out which kind of baseboards to use for the bottom part, and I got some paint samples. We got 2 different kinds of whites. I want my room bright, so we got 2 different samples to see which one looks the best, which I highly recommend. By the way, if y'all want to know more about how I kind of prep for all these things, please check out my DIY renovation bathroom. So yeah, here are the 2 colors. One of them is called Alabaster, and the other one I'm not too sure because it's some off-white color, but I think I'm gonna go with the Alabaster one. It's more bright, it's more fulfilling, so yeah. Okay, we're back at Lowe's. My dad said he needed some more things for the baseboard, and this is him working on it, sawing some things. Right now, my dad is trying to figure out how to fit the baseboard, the new trims that we got, and he does have to cut off a little piece of the tiles that he installed when we first got the house, and he is just measuring the trims to make sure we install it properly. And through this process, I learned a lot about how my dad really enjoys being particular in measurements because he is pretty much calculating everything to make sure the baseboard fits, that nothing gets through, and that everything is secured in place.
I see that.
And I can see where I get my perfectionism from because that's exactly what my dad is like when it comes to doing the handiwork. But I appreciate it because now we are moving through and doing the rest of the prep work before we start painting, and we are filling in any more holes and gaps in the walls, and then we'll get started.
Me and my dad about to do painting. About to paint this room, make it look good.
Okay, now it's my favorite time to start painting. We are going in, we got paint rollers. It's time to roll up these walls, get them white AF. And yeah, enjoy this process because I really love the time lapse of everything. So enjoy this. Okay, now let's talk about this. what is it really like living home with your parents? It's honestly amazing. I really enjoy my time here with my mom and dad after COVID. And I just break down story, moved back home because I really, really missed my parents a lot. And I thought it was a great way to spend some time with them, bond with them, especially my dad. I've had a lot of good memories and not so good one at home. So I thought maybe this is a good time as an adult to live with my parents and just see what it's like. And so far, I've learned a lot. It's been really amazing. I understand now that my parents are getting old and it's that time where I really need to spend quality time with them because time is precious, y'all. We ain't got time to waste on working our whole lives. So I really enjoyed this project a lot because I really got to spend a lot of time with my dad. Okay, right now my dad is cutting a piece of wood to stabilize the bed that we just put into the corner. We reorganized some furniture now that we have finished painting, and he's showing me how to measure and saw the boards to fit the bottom, just to make sure the bed doesn't move. And yeah, I like this process a lot. I really want to get into woodwork someday. So learning this from my dad was a good experience. Okay, back to story time. So I do love living with my parents. It was a really good time to bond with them. I learned a lot of things about myself that I didn't know. Like, I learned that I'm a lot more like my dad than I realized. And although we didn't really bond so much growing up because he was so busy working, growing up as a child of immigrants was kind of difficult for my family because we went through a lot of hardships. Most of the time, my mom and dad were working at their convenience store. And, you know, we didn't really do family things as much, like go on vacation and spend time. So living back home with my parents gave me a lot of hope to kind of rebuild and make up for that time. I understand that they worked so hard to provide a life for me and my brother, and I'm so grateful for it.
Maybe there's one more window on the side over there. No, I can go. Beautiful.
You can dance there too, Dad.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, guys, here goes some progress.
I know that light does not look as good as I like, but here goes some progress. It looks so good in here. Ooh, yeah, we're definitely gonna do some deco and just kind of see how it goes. But yeah, I'm so excited. It looks so good.
And then we are going to use the leftover paint that we have to paint the doors because I just really don't like the brown on our doors at all. So we're just gonna paint at least my closet and bathroom door with the same paint. And yeah, we're just going around painting everything. Then we are going to set up the curtains. I did put a link down to my DIY how to install the curtains and curtain rods in your room. Please check that video out. It's really helpful. Afterwards, we are going to install my crystals holder that my best friend Cam gifted me. It is the moon phase cycles, and I just kind of organize it to where it will look cute on my wall. I'm gonna have a little meditation area, so my dad is doing all the measurements. Yeah, my dad really did do a lot of the work here. I'm just here to learn and help out, and I'm so glad I got this opportunity again to really just bond with my dad and see that he really is a handy dandy father. Last, after we put all of it together, making sure it's straight and in the right places, this is my crystal moon phase wall. It has all the crystals I love to put on here on display, and it just looks so cute. I love this. Next up, we are gonna refurnish some furniture. to put in my room. My dad had this old kind of like TV stand, and I just think it needs a little update, a little pizzazz. Right now, we're gonna paint. I'm just gonna do a paint job on this. I'm gonna paint it again with my wall color just so it can match. I'm gonna wallpaper. I got some marble wallpaper. It's gonna match with the bed set that I got. And yeah, I just ordered some wallpaper on Amazon, which I'm gonna link below, and came in and just gonna wallpaper the top part of it down. I also ordered these really cute gold handles for the doors off of Amazon. These really do tie in with the theme of my room. So super cute, really easy to install. All you gotta do is unscrew and screw it in. Honestly, handles, any kind of handlebars, modern, gold, however you want, they really do add to a piece of furniture. So I'm really digging these, y'all. Okay, the next queen furniture that I decided to put together and also order off of Amazon is this really, really cute white and gold bookshelf. I've always wanted a bookshelf to add like my plants and books and extra stuff. And it's really, really easy to assemble. You put it together, and I really, really love this furniture. It really ties everything together. And here it is. Then my parents took me to Target, and I got this really, really, really cute rug from there. For those of you who don't know what Target is, some people pronounce it Target, but I like to say Target. Okay, the last finishing pieces to this beautiful room. Now all I gotta do is clean up, add all the decoration, organize, and really just spread some good juju in this room with some plants and some love, and know that like I get to live at home with my parents in a beautiful, spacious room, rent-free, food-free. Like, I don't care what anyone says, but living with your parents, I know sometimes they can be a lot, but honestly, free rent, free food, lots of love, support, especially during these rough times, is what I needed. Here are the results of my finally finished room, y'all. Look at how beautiful everything is. Yes. So I'm very grateful. This room turned out so beautiful. I have my own desk area that looks out into the window of my yard. I have a beautiful mirror, dresser, stand, and some room to exercise and dance. My bed is in a good placement. Like, everything just ties together in this room so much more now. And this really does look like an adult queen room. Okay, now that y'all see how beautiful everything looks in my room, I want to show y'all something really important to me that I learned. And we're gonna go in my closet. Here goes my closet. Everything is organized. I've organized and put things together. Like, have y'all ever seen a more organized and clean closet? Like, look at the space that I used. It's really important for me to have a clean, tight space everywhere I go. I have pictures of my family and friends. I didn't have enough space on my room, so I put it in my closet. Floors got messed up, so we had to use these like yoga mat floors that I have for martial arts. I have my studio equipment set up in here. And yeah, all the clothes organized from winter to summer. Yes, I organized it by season. It just really helps me clear my mind and figure out what I want to wear. Dresses, jackets, everything. Okay, now let me show y'all these drawers. I also organized these drawers by the clothes, bras, panties, sleepwear, to work out, color coordinated, folded. This is Marie Kondo method, y'all. Shout out to Marie for helping me. But yes, everything is just as it's supposed to be, like a queen. I am so happy. Y'all have no idea. I am happy to say I'm letting go all of the old past me and ready to live my new life here in this beautiful room with my beautiful family. And for future, this will always be a room I can come back to. Very, 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 very happy for it. So if you like this video, feel free to comment below. I've been getting a lot of poppin' positive reviews on a lot of my DIY projects. So I'm really trying my best to see what more I can do. I will say this has been a really, really fun project for me to do with my family, and I hope to incorporate more of my friends and family because they're always been supportive. And yeah, I can't wait for more future projects to come. Please keep the comments coming, and I love to read it, love to see it. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll link everything that I can down below. Thank y'all so much. Y'all have a wonderful day. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. If not, check me out on Instagram at it's J Lee. And yeah, let me know if y'all have any questions. Thanks. Bye.